Hi, Mr. Martinez. Good morning.
Hold on one second. Yes, there we go.
You said yesterday that you wanted to talk about Jeremy Martinez. Jeremy Martinez, Judge, is one of the defendants at FDA last week. I mean, this past Monday.
Oh, okay,
during
right,
trial.
right. Did you find him or did he turn up?
Yes, Judge, he should be logging on or whatnot into the Zoom call
Okay,
if he's not logged on.
I believe he's logging in.
I'm at a doctor's office with my dad here. So.
okay.
Well, he was going to be present on Monday, but he had transportation issues. He's not trying to evade the court. I already spoke to the state, and they were probably going to dismiss the case if he showed up. So that was the situation.
Okay. Well, it looks like he's trying to show up.
Yes,
Yeah.
he's connecting to audio. And do you need to talk to the state, Mr. Martinez?
Sure. And if the
Okay.
judge is cool with lifting the warrant, cool. The judge will lift the warrant, Judge.
Yeah, let's see what the state says and then we'll get him on here. Okay.
Let me
Yes,
put you in a breakout room with the state. Hi, Mr. Tochi. Good morning.
Corinne, good morning. Judge Parker, how are you?
Good. What's up?
Happy Thursday. I have two things with the court this morning. The first is, I believe, a trial setting on Casey Dabney. I checked that Seamus Kemi had indicated to me yesterday that he was submitting a dismissal yesterday, but I do see that it's still pending. So I don't know if he submitted it and hasn't been signed.
Mr. Tochi, that one, I believe, is for family violence.
It is. Oh, we're not here for that.
No, this is the non-family violence docket. If you like, I can email you the correct some information for them.
Okay, I also have another one. It's a pre-MTR. Am I in the right spot for that?
What is the case number?
Man, you and your questions. I have it. It's 63331. Armando
Hernandez.
Yes, a pre-MTR conference. I haven't seen one of those in quite some time.
Yes, those ones. Yes, it is set for today at 10 a.m. for Armando Hernandez.
Okay, so I'll come back here at 10.
Yes.
Okay, now is there can you send me the link, Corinne, for wherever I'm supposed to be right now?
Yes,
This is the one that
of
was sent
course.
to me. How's your world, Laura Lee?
Good, good. How's yours?
You know, I mean, double post COVID, we're, one day at a time, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
Is all we can take them, so far so good. We did a
Yeah.
trip with the girls last week, so it's good to get away.
Nice.
Yeah. We got some stuff lined up for the summer, so they feel guilty. They are like, God, y'all don't take us anywhere on vacation. We're like, hey, dude, relax. No one's going on vacation right now.
That's funny.
Yeah, but we're getting there. A lot of fun.
That's good. Well, I was there 2 times in person this week, so
Yeah.
back
Yeah.
at it.
It's still a mixture. I've got in-persons right now, but I'm here, so we muddle through it.
Yeah.
Everyone's understanding. But okay, did you send that, Corinne?
Yes, I just sent it.
Yes, you did. All right, I will. So I'm sorry. I come back here at 10.
Yes.
I'm over there right now. All right.
Yes.
I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Okay. Bye.
Mr. Martinez, if you can join the breakout room with the state, please.
Am I assigned a breakout room? I don't see one.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna assign you to one and then I'm gonna move you to Kathleen's, okay? Okay. There you go. Now that one, accept the second invitation where it says Kathleen Arceo Garza.
I don't think I see a breakout.
I sent it again.
Unless they moved it somewhere else.
Okay, accept this one first. It should say room 4.
I'm not getting anything. They changed the app or something.
Check the bottom of the screen where it says additional options. Try that one.
There he went.
I have someone here by the name of Jeremy. Can you please connect to audio?
Isn't that what Mr. Martinez said his client was named?
Excuse me?
Isn't that what the ones, isn't that Scott Martinez's client, maybe?
I think he is. I just sent him a message. Maybe he's using. I have someone here by the name of iPhone. Can you hear me? Can you please connect to audio? Hi, Sean. Welcome back.
Hi, Corinne. I just conferred with Kathleen. We're trying to get a number of days count on Daniel Gonzalez. He should have a lot.
I can see that. He has 175 days.
Okay, that'll be a JSAT plea then, 100 for 175, you said?
Might as well be a trial, but sure.
Okay, let me admit him.
Five
I
days to
believe
fight.
I
I'm
sent
sorry,
the
I'm kidding.
paperwork yesterday. Right now the paperwork is with your client. Do you need to talk to him?
Oh, did he sign? I need to talk to him. Oh, is it? It's with the jail?
Yes, he's in the jail's iPad.
Okay, yeah, sure. I'll go over with him and all that. So I haven't been able to.
Let me see so he can connect to video. Kathleen, did you get a chance to talk to Scott Martinez?
Actually, he said he needed a minute and then he left. So,
Ah.
oh.
He's there in the
Oh, did he go
breakout room.
back to the breakout room?
Yeah, he's there in the breakout room.
Oh, okay. Let me go back then.
Daniel, can you join the breakout room with your attorney, please?
Okay.
I have someone here by the last name of Osborne. I'm gonna ask you to unmute. Oh, there you go.
Sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you here for the compliance hearing?
Yes, I am.
Okay, perfect.
Hey, Corinne, how are you? You're muted.
Thank you. Sorry. Good morning. You're here for Jesse Martinez. You need to talk to the state?
No. I already have an agreement. I actually mistakenly went inside the courtroom. I already approached the judge on it. We've reached an agreement. Judge said it was fine if we just set it for a plea next week. And if I could give you a date, are Fridays available, or is that about?
Friday's available. However, that day,
29th?
we can do the plea on the 29th. If we can do it at 9 a.m., would be great.
Yeah, he's a Spanish speaker. And so I'll need an interpreter. I'll tell you the morning of again, obviously. And with technology issues, it's better if he just comes in person. So
Perfect. That is fine. Okay, then I'm gonna send you the paperwork, and I'm gonna send the paperwork to the iPad so we can get a head start on it.
okay. So
So
if I can have him come to my office, could he do the plea if you send it to a secondary email of mine? Is that possible?
Yes, of course. Just send me whenever I send the court note. Just send me the 2 emails. You want me to send it to you, and the secondary email to send it to him. So then we can do it on next Friday.
Perfect. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Have a good one, Judge. It's good to see you.
Have a good
Good to
day.
see you.
Thanks.
Hi, Mr. Martinez. Welcome back.
Yes. So I spoke to the state and so we haven't come to a resolution.
No resolution?
No. So I'm asking the court to reinstate the bond, and they just called me into the doctor's office. So I apologize. Excuse me.
Okay, is that your client that's on?
Let me see. Jeremy, can you please connect to audio to video, please?
Hello.
Are you Jeremy Martinez?
Yes.
Can you
That-
please
that's
turn on
it.
your camera?
Yes.
There you
Great.
are. Okay, so you were supposed to be in court the other day, so I had issued a warrant. Are you going to be able to make it to court next time in person?
Yes, I will. Yes.
Okay, so we're going to give you the reset date right now, and I'm going to recall the warrant, but if you don't show up, then you'll back to the same position, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the coordinator is going to let you know what date you need to be there.
We're going to do the jury trial of the 27th of next Wednesday here in person
Okay.
in County Court 11, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You know where that is, on the first floor of the courthouse?
No, but I'll find it.
Okay, and it's at 8:30.
Okay.
Okay, so I will reinstate your bond and recall the warrant from this
Thank
past day, okay? All right, we'll see you next week.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Judge. Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Scott.
And then the pharmacy we have.
Have the clerks recall the warrant on that.
Yes, Judge. I'm going to send the note right now. I'm gonna join a breakout room to see who one client is.
Okay.
He's not connecting to audio.
There you are.
Yes, I'm having all kinds of technical difficulties.
Yes.
Hi, good morning, Mr. Kaiser.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
Good. How's your dad?
He's doing he's still working. He's 75 and he's doing well. He's helping me coach Thomas's 8-year-old Little League team over at Alamo Heights. So he's good.
Oh, cool. Good. Well, tell him I say hello for sure.
How's your dad?
He's good. He's
Good.
good. Yeah. Still hanging in
Okay.
there. So
You're-
Hey,
on your case today.
Judge, I checked with the court a couple weeks ago. I have a DWI. My client's name is Ryan Greeley. My case number is 675263. And the last couple times I've checked, the state did not have a file yet.
Okay.
It's a December offense date, but I'm happy to confer and talk to if there's a ADA available.
Yes. Let me put you in Kathleen's breakout room.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Mr. Merritt. Good morning.
Good morning. I am early. For one,
Yes.
I have a lot to do, but I'm gonna knock this one out early because it's the easiest one. So I have a Luis Hernandez on your list.
Mhm.
Pending, he had a pending mental eval. Did you see that on your notes or on your doc?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So we had the competency hearing, in fact, 2 weeks ago. He was found competent. So that said, I guess we could set it for, I think this is just a status hearing today. So could we set it for trial as on your county court harassment case? I think there's a
Yes.
pending felony as well. So we need to get, so he's found competent and if we could run that concurrent with the pending felony and then set that for trial. I'm gonna obviously have to work this out in the felony and see if this one can be folded into in some way of another. I don't know.
Are you his
I
lawyer,
did see-
lawyer on the felony? Sorry. Are you his lawyer on the felony too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, that makes it easier.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Judge Parker.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
How are you? Good to see you.
Okay. Okay. Does that explain everything? Am I excused?
Yes, let me just give you a jury trial setting.
Okay. Hey, Rachel,
Um,
can you get on the calendar quickly? Okay.
We can do Wednesday 11th.
That May
However,
11th?
yes, Wednesday 11th. Yes. However, that date may change because until I have more dates of it, until I have dates available for jury trial settings.
Right. Well, that said, put it for the 11th and I'm gonna go get back with it was just, I know, frankly, it may have been like less than last week, not even 2 weeks ago. We had that competency hearing and I'm gonna get with the felony court and just have them put on their trial docket so then we can run this together.
Okay.
Okay, but we'll put it for May 11th provisionally. Okay,
All right. Sounds good.
thank you.
All right. Thank
Do you
you.
need to talk to your client? He's here.
Louis, yeah, I'll talk to Louis. Thank you.
Okay. Let me put you in a breakout room with him. Hi, Mr. Greiner. Good morning.
Good morning, Corin. I was trying to get a hold of my client. I'd sent him a text after the last time we talked. I don't know.
Yes, he has not logged in yet.
All right. Well, I'll keep working on it.
Okay, that is fine.
Okay, does he have another case? Mr.
I don't think so. Let me see.
Carrera? No.
Actually, yes, you're right. Yes. Mr. Greiner,
Yes,
you also have Yvonne Carrera.
I do have her as well. Yes.
Yes. Do you need to confer with the state on that one? And she's also present here on Zoom.
Yeah, she should be present. Talked to her yesterday. Yeah, I'll discuss that with the state.
Okay. Hi, Joe. Good morning. Howdy.
Morning.
I've been sitting down on the first floor. So anyway, I have Rentana.
Yes. Let me see. He's an inmate.
Yes.
And he's here on Zoom. Do you need to talk to the state or to your client?
I think we're ready for trial, right? And there's a trial setting.
Let me see. There's no trial setting for this one.
Okay.
Do you need to set it for trial then?
Well, yeah, I promise you, that's what I thought we were coming up here for. I'm sorry.
No. No, just a regular hearing. Okay, we'll set it for trial then. I can give you a date of May 11th.
There is a felony pending.
Yes.
Okay, so did you give me a date and I didn't hear it?
May 11th?
May 11th? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Do you need to speak with your client? He's here on Zoom.
I'd rather not. There's not much privacy here.
Okay, that's fine. Actually, it
I'll
looks
go.
like he's not in his chair.
I'll meet him on ICS.
Okay, I'll let the jail know. Have a good
May this what?
May 11th.
That's what I thought. May 11th. Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Kaiser. You're muted.
Thank you. So I guess Daniel is not in today, but I'll send him an email, and the state is still awaiting, I guess, a lab result, which is why they reset it last time. But I guess, can we come back in 30 days to see if they filed anything?
Yes, we can do. All right, where's my calendar? We can do May 23rd. It's a Monday.
Perfect. Okay. Well, I'll let Ryan know, and I'll send Kathleen and Daniel an update on my end, and we'll see if the state has a complaint on May 23rd.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Judge Parker, take care, and thank you.
Hey, take care. Good to see you.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Have a good one. Bye. Mr. Rotana, can you hear me? You're excused for today. Your attorney was here and he set your case for trial for May 11th, okay?
May 11th? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. You're excused. Have a good day. Hi, Mr. Velasquez.
Hello.
Let's see. You're here for David Garcia?
Correct, for Mr. Garcia. And this case was recalled to today because I believe the state, Daniel needed to see if he could reach out to his victim liaison to see if they were able to locate the alleged victim in this case.
Daniel is not here, but I'm sure Kathleen can check that for you. I can put you in a breakout room with her.
Okay. Hello, Judge. Good morning.
Hi, how you doing? Good to see you.
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Good seeing you.
Hi, Ms. Eagle. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, Corinne?
Doing well, thank you. How are you?
I am well, thank you.
All right. You're here for Jessica Castillo and Joe De Luna.
Yes.
Yes. I have Jessica here on Zoom as well. I don't see Joe. Do you need him?
Joe should be zooming in. And can you tell me, Corinne, is Joe De Luna's still a red file or has it been filed?
Both of them have been filed.
Okay. Then I guess if I go ahead.
No, I was going to ask if you needed to speak with the state.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Dominguez. Good morning.
Good morning, and I apologize for my tardiness. I had Judge Stolhans. I had his family violence docket and this one, and I hopped in with the family. I didn't realize there were two different links. I hopped in on family violence earlier, and no one wanted to talk to me about a DWI. It was weird.
We will help you out.
Okay,
you're here
thank
for
you.
Michelle Ferreiro.
Yes, and I'm glad you have a difficult time saying it as well.
Yes. Do you need to talk to the state on this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. If I could.
Okay. Hi, Sean. Welcome back.
Hi, Corinne. He should have everything in, and Mr. Gonzalez should be ready to go.
Let me see. Yes, we have everything. I'm gonna reroute the paperwork to you, Judge.
Okay.
Okay, you should have it in your inbox shortly.
Okay. I will keep an eye out.
Okay, let me just, in the meantime, bring Kathleen back. Hi, Kathleen. We're gonna be taking a plea on Daniel Gonzalez.
Okay, is that 664149?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
I'm just signing the paperwork right now.
Hi, Mr. Cardenas. Good morning.
Morning. I'm here on
Do you need-
Randolph Shepherd. It'd be best
Yes.
if I talk to the DA first, please.
Yes. In the meantime, I'm gonna put you in her waiting room right now. She's gonna be taking a plea. We only have Kathleen as an ADA today. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Just be patient.
Well, I tell you what. Oh, all right.
Yes.
For a chance of talking, then let me talk to Mr. Shepherd.
To your client? Yes, of course. I think he might have felt. I think he's asleep. Let me message the jail. Hi, Miss Acevedo. Good morning.
Good morning. I have Elliot Rodriguez. He still has a felony pending. I was trying to look it up because I don't know that we have a court date yet on him.
Okay, I'll check. Give me one moment.
Okay, I think I'm ready on Daniel Gonzalez.
Let me bring him. I'm trying to bring him back.
Okay.
Mr. Shepherd, can you join the breakout room, please? And we have Daniel here.
Okay. Yvonne, are you there? Ready? Okay.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay. Mr.
Yes, sir,
Gonzalez,
you know,
can you hear me? Okay.
He might have to unmute himself. That's what I was trying.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and call your case. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Yes.
Ready, Judge?
Okay. This is cause number 664149. Is your name Daniel Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And are you aware of the charge pending against you in the state's information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. They have alleged that you have committed a DWI with a blood alcohol over 0.15. Is that your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. That is a class A misdemeanor punishable by up to a year in jail and a possible $4,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I know that you and your lawyer and the prosecution have worked out some sort of agreement. I do need to advise you, I don't have to follow that agreement if I don't want to. But if I don't follow the plea bargain, I will let you take back your plea, and everything we do here today will be used against you. If I go along with your agreement, though, you won't be able to complain about or appeal my decision without my permission. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Serene, how long have you represented your client?
Almost 2 years.
And you feel he's mentally competent to go forward with plea today?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, then Mr. Gonzalez, to the charge against you in the state's information, how do you plead?
No contest.
No contest. Okay, do you understand that a plea of no contest will be taken exactly the same as a plea of guilty by me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and have you decided to plead no contest after discussing things with your lawyer? You feel it's in your best interest to proceed this way?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Then I'll accept the plea. I'm going to find the evidence sufficient to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty. I'm going to find you guilty. And what is the agreement?
$0 fine plus court costs, 175 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And if it please the court, this will be a judgment satisfied.
Okay, is that your agreement, Mr. Serene?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, is that your agreement as you understand it, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then I'm going to follow the plea bargain. I'm going to sentence you to 175 days in the Bear County Jail, finding that you have satisfied that amount of time, the court costs to run concurrent with the time, and the judgment is satisfied as of today. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, since I did follow your agreement, you do not have a right to appeal without my permission, okay?
Okay.
All right, is there anything else we need to take up on this case, Mr. Serene?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much. Good luck to you, Mr. Gonzalez.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, thanks.
Have a good day.
Your Honor, may I be excused back to the breakout room?
Yes.
Thank you.
Daniel, you're excused.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Acevedo.
Yes.
Yes, I was just reading your message. Is the felony related?
I don't believe so.
Okay, the felony is not related. Can we take care of the misdemeanor?
In Orlando, County, my prison.
No.
So at least it's also here.
I'm sorry, I couldn't.
No, I don't want to take the misdemeanor without knowing what's going to happen with the felony.
Okay, when would you know anything about the felony?
I anticipate if it's not indicted fairly soon, I can our bond. So I don't, outside of that, I don't know. I've already emailed the felony prosecutors, but haven't received anything, and he's not indicted yet.
Okay, let me see. I'll give you a quick reset. I can set it for May 16th, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thanks.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi, Mr. Griner. Good morning.
Good morning
There you
again.
go. Sorry, yes.
Yvonne Carrera, she's here. If you could give her the good news that the state's going to dismiss her case.
Oh, she's here.
Yes, I saw her
I
smile.
admitted her.
Say hi. Hi. Good morning.
Yes, they're going to dismiss your case.
Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you,
Go
Grinder. Mr. Grinder.
No, it's okay.
I'm lost for words.
All right. Well, have a good day.
You
can
too.
leave now. You can leave now.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. Judge, I'm still waiting on my other guy.
That's gonna make you feel good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Someone
sure.
actually appreciates what you do for them.
Exactly. Okay, well, whenever I get the paperwork on your other guy, I'll sign it, but I haven't seen anything yet.
On Macias, it's not a dismissal. It's actually a plea.
Right.
So I've got another court I need to check in with.
Okay. Sounds good.
Unless that's him on the iPhone.
I don't know. I'm about to check. I have someone here by the name of iPhone. I'm gonna ask you to unmute. Hi, what is your name?
Good morning. This is Jessica Castillo. I'm sorry, it threw me out, so I had to log back in.
Okay, that's fine. Give me 1 moment.
I don't think that was the same person you were talking to.
No. I have someone by the name of iPhone. What is your name?
De Luna.
De Luna. Okay.
All right, I'll check in with you guys later.
Okay.
Joe De Luna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna rename you, and your attorney's here. She's talking with the state, okay?
Okay, okay.
So Mr. Macias has to log in first before they can even do the paperwork, right?
Yes.
And he
yes.
hasn't logged in yet? Okay.
He hasn't.
Okay.
I have someone here by the name of Joel's iPhone. Are you Joel Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna rename you.
Thank you. Sorry.
Right now, we're just waiting for your attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
I have someone here by the name of iPhone. I'm going to ask you to unmute.
Yes, ma'am. This is Armando Hernandez.
Armando Hernandez. Okay, right now we're just waiting for your attorney as well. Hi, Mr. Nisbet. Good morning.
Good morning.
You're here for Rose Garcia.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you need to talk to the state on that case?
Yeah, I could confirm.
Perfect.
Two Zooms at the same time here. Thank you.
Hi, I have an attorney in the courtroom. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Daniel De La Garza from Mr. Sun on iPhone. Hi, Mr. Sun. I'd just like to confer with the prosecutor if I could.
Yes. Okay. I know who he is now. He's not been connecting to audio.
Oh, okay. Let me see if I can get him to. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Let me put you in a breakout room with the state. Hi, Miss Iko.
Okay, so on Joe DeLuna, I need some time to convey the offer to him.
Okay.
And on
He's
Jennifer-
here in the, it looks like he's here on Zoom as well.
Okay, but I don't have time. I've got 4 other things. I'm glad he showed up.
Okay, I will reset this to May 9th.
Okay, to May 9th? Okay.
Yes.
And
it's a
then,
Monday.
and that's next Monday? Okay. And then on Jessica Castillo, I need to go over the offer. I'm sorry, the rest of the discovery, and Kathleen and I are trying to negotiate a plea, but she needs to check something out.
Okay. I can also reset it to May 9th. Do you need to speak with either of your clients right now?
No, if you can just, I'll talk to them off the Zoom later on this afternoon.
Okay. Let
Thank
them
you.
know.
All right, thank you very much.
Have a good
Bye-bye.
one. Joe DeLuna, can you hear me? Yes, your attorney is gonna get in contact with you.
Okay.
And your case in the meantime was reset to May 9th, okay?
May 9th? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, you're excused now.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hi, Jessica, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Did you hear, we reset your case to May 9th and your
Yes,
attorney
I
is getting in contact with you, okay?
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're excused, have a good day. Hi, Mr. Cardenas.
Yeah, can I talk to the DA briefly, please?
Yes, of course. Hi, Ms. Morgan. Good morning.
Good morning. May I confer on Mrs. Quarter's case?
Yes.
I believe she's present via Zoom.
Yes, she's. Hi, Mr. Velasquez.
Hi, Corin. I conferred with the state. Can I just speak with my client, Mr. Garcia? And then
Yes.
Your Honor, when I'm done conferring with my client, may I be excused? I did confer with the state judge. They're requesting an additional 2 weeks to try to reach out to the alleged victim in this case. And so they want to conduct their further due diligence. I guess they just haven't had enough time is what they're saying. And they did tell me that this would be their last continuance with respect to. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's let Corinne give you a new date, and then you can talk to your client, and then y'all can both be excused from the breakout room, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
I will reset this to May 9th.
Okay. Thank you, Corin.
Let me put you in a breakout room with your client now.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Dominguez.
Good morning, Ms. Corin. I was able to confer with Ms. Garza.
Yes.
I'm here on Ms. Ferreo. It was the first setting today. I do have all the discovery. It is kind of voluminous. It's more than I anticipated, so I am going through that, and would just ask for a regular reset.
Okay. We're just waiting on the labs, right?
I believe so. Yes, ma'am. But there are like 30 videos or 20. I mean, I think I've got body cams and co-bands from every angle.
Yeah, we'll reset this for 30 days.
Okay.
We'll do May 23rd.
Got it. Ooh, okay. I have to be in Corpus Christi that day, that afternoon. I mean, I suppose if you're still doing Zoom, that'll be fine, but I just don't want to get into a bind later.
Oh, we can do the 24th, that following Tuesday.
Let's do it. That's open.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Thank
May
you so much,
24th
ma'am.
is. Have a
With
good
that,
day.
may we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you both. Thank you, Ms. Corin. Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day. I have someone here by the name of Anthony Barajas. Can you hear me, Anthony?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, it was muted for some reason.
Okay. I don't have you in my docket today. Who is your attorney?
His name is Tony. Give me a quick
Tony
second.
Paul Reese.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna move you to a breakout room, okay? I'll join you there.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Garcia, did you already talk to your lawyer?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so your case is reset till May 9th, so you can let the jail know you're done for today, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. You have a good
Thank
day.
you. You too. Mr. Vela, can you hear me? Are you Diego Vela?
Sí,
You're Diego Vela?
sí,
Okay.
no hablo inglés, puro español.
Okay. Okay. Su abogado estuvo aquí antes y ya se fue y usted va a devolver aquí al 9 de mayo, ¿ok?
Ah,
Entonces
ok.
puedes salir para hoy.
¿Puedo salir para hoy?
Sí.
Ok.
Okay. Right. And his lawyer already left, came and went. Mr. Hilly.
Mr. Young, right now we're just waiting for your attorney to join. Ms. Turner, we're waiting for your attorney to join. Mr. Rodriguez, the same, we're just waiting for your attorney. Mr. Carter, we're waiting for your attorney as well. And Daniel, we're waiting for your attorney to join, okay? Do you have a question, Mr. Carter?
No, ma'am, I'm okay.
Yes, I have a question.
Yes.
My attorney, what is my attorney exactly supposed to be doing for me? Can I not just do it on my own?
Looks like you have an MPR.
Uh-huh.
She should be joining here shortly.
I know.
Okay.
What if I just want to do it on my own?
Mm,
It's
I
not that.
don't-
It's literally just for a possession thing or whatever, and and it wasn't even real in the first place. It was fake, so it wasn't like I don't think I should be getting in trouble for it.
Let's just wait to see. Just give us some minutes, okay?
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Nisbet.
Good morning. I'm back. I conferred with the DA. Sent her an email. She's going to respond, and we're going to confer off docket. In the meantime, can I have a breakout room? So I guess I would ask that we have a reset. But before I do that, can I have a breakout room with my client, Rose Lombardia, please?
Let me put you in breakout room.
Thank you.
Rose, can you join the breakout room, please?
What's my attorney's name?
Is Sharon Thorne.
I'll be right back, Corinne.
Yes, sir. Hi, Sabrina.
Hi, Corinne. Can I get put into a breakout room with, are both ADAs here or is it just Kathleen?
Only Kathleen.
Okay, with Kathleen,
With her?
please.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Nisbet. For Rose Lombardi.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe we have a regular reset, please. I'm going to confer with the DA off docket, and I have spoken to my client.
Okay, I will reset this to May 9th.
May 9th. Okay.
Good
Anything
reset.
longer than that? That's pretty
Excuse me?
Anything longer than that? That's pretty soon.
Let me see.
Please and thank you.
We can do that the following week, May 20th. It's that Friday.
Sure, that'd be great. Thank you.
Hi, attorney in the courtroom.
Hi, Daniel De La Garza, two cases I conferred on. First one is mine. It's N Sun 677881.
Yes.
Two cases. Okay, so on that one, we just need a regular reset for an offer. PTD is I think the appropriate resolution. We'll see.
So you're gonna submit a PTD application?
No. I think that's the appropriate resolution. They haven't made that offer yet. So no, I just need a regular reset so they can make the offer. I'm not going to submit it yet.
Okay. For the state to make the offer.
Whatever it's going to be. I don't know what it's going to be yet.
I'll give you a reset date of May 9th, and then we'll go from there on that one.
Great. I have one more.
Who's your other client?
Mr. Robert Maurer was in here a few minutes ago, so he can run to other courts. I told him I would confer. All he needs is breath discovery, so it's just a regular reset on that. The client is Mr. Joel Rodriguez. I see him up here in the corner, 675331.
Okay, so you need the breath discovery order? Oh, no.
No,
Actually,
that's
it's
been signed. So,
Yes.
so the prosecutor is just going to get it to Mr. Maurer. They will review it and then make a decision as to how to resolve the case. So regular reset would be good.
I'm gonna set this for May 9th as well.
Sounds good.
Okay, sounds good.
And with that, may Mr. Rodriguez and Son and I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Rose, this is Tom. You can sign off. We're all done. We have our next setting. I'm going to call you and you can sign off the Zoom, okay?
Brenda,
Hi, Ms. Morgan.
this is Ashley. I'm back from conferring.
Mhm.
We're asking for a 30-day reset. I am missing a couple of dash cams, and Miss Quarter is also working on her mitigation packet, her classes, and her letters of recognition.
Okay, we can do May 20th. It's a Friday.
That will work. Thank you very much.
Yes, you
And
have a good
Cassie,
day.
you're excused now.
I think Mr. Sen is excused, right? He's trying to log back in.
Mr. Sun, can you hear me? Yes? Let me put him in a breakout room. There you go. Mr. Sun, can you hear me? Can you unmute?
If you can hear us, you're excused for today. Your lawyer got you a reset till May 9th. Okay?
Okay, let me see.
Or do you think he heard us?
No, he went to the breakout room. Let me tell him.
Okay.
Hi, Ms. Kramer. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, you're here for Charles Young.
Right.
Okay. Do you need to talk to the state?
I do. And so my camera's, I just spilled coffee all over my computer, so my camera might be a little wonky. Yes, I need to confirm.
Okay.
Thank
Let
you.
me put you in a breakout room with Kathleen. Hi, Miss Taylor. Good morning.
Good morning. How are y'all?
Doing well. How are you today?
Good.
You're here for Scotty Payne and Molly Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you need to talk to the state as well?
I don't believe so. I think we just were provided our blood discovery on Mr. Payne's case about 2 weeks ago. So we're in the process of going over that. And then on, excuse me, on Ms. Walker's case, I'm not sure if, or I think, I'm sorry, the breath discovery order has been signed, but we have not received those records. So I guess in that event, if I need to confer with the state to check on that, otherwise we're just seeking breath discovery compliance at this time on that case.
Okay, let me put you with Kathleen.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Ms. Settle, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. How are you today?
I'm doing fine. I'm here in the courtroom, so just trying to hold my phone up. So I got an offer yesterday from Daniel recommending PTD. So I need to just talk to my client about that. This is, I think, a first setting.
Okay, I'm gonna recall this to Tuesday the 26th for you to talk to your client if he wants to accept PTD. If PTD is accepted, just please forward me the application and then I will
Okay.
reset you for 45 days.
Okay. All right, I guess that'll be a quick here. I'm like swamped that morning, but okay, I'll put it for the 26th.
Yes, if you get the application before, just let me know. Just forward it to me and I will reset you for 45 days.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you.
Yes,
May I
no
be
problem.
excused?
Yes,
Yes,
thanks. Good to see you, Beth.
Hi, Mr. Paul Reese, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Corian. How are you?
Doing well, how are you today?
Oh, not too bad. I have several, but they're actually all even, so I think I'm probably all with the same prosecutor.
Yes, Kathleen is the only prosecutor we have today. I'm gonna put you
Oh,
with
okay.
her.
Well, then I'm with the same prosecutor anyways.
Yes.
Thanks.
All right. Hi, Mr. Tucci, good morning.
Corinne, good morning again. I'm here on the pre-MTR. And I guess
What's
my
your
client
client
is
again?
Armando Hernandez. So let me talk, I guess, yeah, to your CSO. I don't have any idea what is going on with his MTR status, but if we
Okay.
could chat, I could find out and then report back to the court. And then Judge Parker, I don't know if Judge Stolhansky communicated with you on one of my clients, Carlos Gonzalez.
No, but what did you say?
Well, it's a bond setting deal. And I thought he asked for me to ask you to handle it. He's in Webb County. He missed a trial date and got arrested down in Laredo, and I'm just seeking a bond to get set.
Okay, I don't know what the other visiting judges are doing, but we haven't had that special training or whatever which is required for bond setting. And so I've been told not to do it currently. So
boy, I thought you had till December to complete everything is my understanding, but that's fine.
They told me it started April 1st. So I need to get more details, but meantime,
Okay. Well, I have taken it. You want me to set the bond?
I would let you if I could.
Well, let me just deal with Mr. Hernandez and then I'll just report back to Tommy on the other.
Okay. And your client's here. So after you talk to CLO, you can get with him or whatever.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks. Yes, Mr. Carter.
Who is my attorney again?
Sharon Thorne.
Sharon Thorne. She's never in show. Man. Okay.
Okay. As soon as she gets here, we'll get it going, okay?
Hi, Mr. Cardenas.
Hi, Kathleen's got to go ahead and reject the 2 misdemeanors. So she said that she would get the paperwork going. So we talked to my guy and hopefully we can get him out of there maybe today or tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. So we can do the paperwork today. Is both of them plea for both of them, or is one gonna be TIC?
No, she's going to reject both cases. In other words, basically dismiss both cases right now.
Excuse me.
Dismiss.
Okay, she's gonna dismiss them. Okay.
As soon as she does, I'll sign them. I'm monitoring the computer, so.
Thanks, Judge.
Perfect. Do you need to go back to talk to your client?
Yeah, let me talk to him, let him know what's going on, and then I'll leave from there. Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Tochi.
Corinne, may I speak to Mr. Hernandez, please?
Yes, of course. Hi, Ms. Thorne. Good morning. You're muted.
Unmute. I'm so sorry. I just now checked my email. I didn't know anything about this. I apologize.
Your client's on here. He's very anxious to speak with you.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I apologize.
Just letting you know.
Okay.
That's okay.
Thank you, Judge. Okay. So yeah. I'd like to speak with the client. I'd like to talk to the state. I'll do both.
Okay, the state or client first?
Let me talk to the state first, please.
Okay.
Thank you. And I apologize. Me and I did not know about this. Okay.
Trevor, to answer to your question, your attorney is conferring with the state. He's still here. And Mr. Douglas and Mr. Adams, right now we're just waiting for your attorneys to join, okay? Mr. Rodriguez, can you join the breakout room, please? Hi, Mr. Tucci.
Corinne, let me chat with Ms. Osborne one last time, and then if it's okay with everybody, I'm going to skedaddle from the hearing. Is that okay? I think we have it resolved, is what I'm saying. The pre-MTR. Do you need to address my client, Judge? I'm sorry.
Not if y'all have some sort of agreement. It's not going to be
right. We
me to
do
talk to them.
Yeah, his conditions will be amended, and I think that will conclude our affairs today.
Okay.
But yeah, put me with Ms. Osborne one last time.
All right. I'll be back. I'm gonna join the breakout room with one defendant.
Okay.
Judge, for Xavier Rodriguez, I just got a word from the attorney saying that he was set to plea on his case from County Court 13 that he's gonna TIC for County Court 11 case.
Okay, so that one's gonna be dismissed when that,
Yes,
it already played?
he's gonna take a plea on Monday.
Okay, so this one's dropped for today.
Yes,
Okay,
I'm gonna just recall it for Tuesday, just in case.
okay.
Hi, Sabrina.
Hi, Corinne. I have a couple of announcements.
Okay.
For Christopher Hinojosa, the state is going to upload the correct discovery.
Okay. Let's see. I'll recall these to May 9th. No, you have draw court that day. Yes, draw court. I'll recall it for Tuesday, May 12th.
May the 12th?
Yes.
Okay. Next I have Louis Verrett. The state is looking into another charge that is awaiting filing. So they're going to look into that to see if they're going to file it before they can give me any offer.
Okay. And this one, I'll reset it to May 12th as well.
Okay. And next, Jacob Dominguez, did he log in?
No.
Okay, he was supposed to take a plea today, but I wasn't able to get a hold of him. I did email him the link. I'm not sure if he got it or not, since I wasn't able to call him.
Okay. I can recall these to tomorrow.
Okay, I can try and get
You
hold.
can get hold of him.
Yes. And that was all I had today.
I have you for, I don't know, for Davy Benish.
So I looked into his, he hired private counsel, but his SID number is the same as Jacob Dominguez. So I think that it might have been for Jacob instead.
Yes, it was hired by Tony Polris as well.
Yes.
Okay. And how about for Karen Turner?
Is she on here?
She's in a breakout room.
Okay, can I get into a breakout room with Kathleen one more time, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Actually, if you can just rejoin that breakout room, please.
Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you, Corinne.
And Corinne, this is Suzanne. I just need to go into a breakout room with Charles Young.
Yes, 1 moment.
Thank you.
Mr. Adams, can you hear me? Can you go put on a shirt if you're going to be appearing in court, please?
Hi, Mr. Tucci.
Yes.
Okay. Miss Osborne, do you need to go into a breakout room with Mr. Tucci?
No. We agreed upon to extend him for 6 months. Amend for duly diagnosed outpatient treatment, mental health initiative, and weekly drug tests for 60 days. And I believe he did speak with my probationer.
Yeah, the mother's indicating they got kicked out. I think she means like disconnected. I don't think y'all kicked her out, or maybe you did. But the client is not here right now, Judge.
Well, he was on earlier. I saw him.
Yeah, I spoke to him and he's amenable to what Ms. Osborne just indicated, so.
Okay, so they need to, were you going to go over the paperwork with them online, Shauna?
Yeah.
Okay. If you can get him to log back in, then they can do that. Otherwise, he'll have to like go to the office or something.
Yeah, I just sent them that information. I'm sure they will, Judge. I'm sure they will.
Okay.
We good?
I do believe you're good, I think.
Okay. Corinne, are we good?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
I'll see you.
Hi, Miss Taylor. Welcome back.
Hello. Kathleen checked on that breath discovery for Molly Walker. And so she said that they're going to resubmit it. I think we had the order signed on January 25th and we were reset on March 29th for breath discovery compliance, but then we actually didn't have that setting. The court reset us to today. So this is the first setting after that order was signed. So she's going to resubmit it so that we get that information. So I guess if we could just get another pretrial reset on Scotty and Molly Walker.
Yes, I'm gonna set them on the same day.
Okay.
I'll set them to May 31st.
May
All three
31st.
of them. Yes.
And are those going to be in person or are those going to be Zooms also?
So right now through Zoom.
Zoom. Okay.
Nothing
okay.
has changed so far.
Okay. That sounds good. Thank you. Y'all have a nice day.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Bye.
Hi, Ms. Thorne.
Hi, I see him waving his hand, so hold on, Mr. Carter. Okay, both the state and I need to talk to probation that she needs to send us a copy of the MTR because we don't have a copy of the MTR.
Okay, let me get a hold of probation one.
Okay, and Mr. Carter, just chill. There's things I gotta do. Thank you, Judge, sorry.
Oh, no problem. No problem.
And then I'll go back to breakout once probation sends us a copy of the MTR.
Okay, probation is working on that. I don't know if you're- Mr. Shepherd, you're excused.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Hi, Mr. Roundtree. Good morning.
Hi, Corinne. Good morning to you.
You're here for Crystal Alvarado and Daniel Perez.
Yes.
Yes. Do you need to talk to the state?
So maybe do we have a file on Crystal? I checked. I think you may have one now, but I'm not 100% sure.
We have a file for Crystal.
Okay. All right. Yes. Then if I may confer.
And actually for both of them, we have filed Daniel and Crystal.
Okay. And on Daniel, I think we've already submitted the paperwork to refer him to DWI court.
Yes, that was done back in March 15th. Have you heard anything back from them?
No, he has. I believe he has his screening appointment in the next week or so. But that's going from my 50-year-old faulty memory. So be aware.
Okay. I'm going to put screening appointment next week for now.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Let me put you in a breakout room with Kathleen. Hi, Miss Kramer.
Hello. Okay, on Charles Young's, he's been pre-screened to go through BTC. So
Miss Kramer, you're muted.
I unmuted I spilled coffee on my computer and it's really acting up because I unmuted myself. Mr. Youngs has been pre-screened for VTC. Wants to do that, and I was talking to him. His bonds on these two cases are really fairly low. Call a family member today to go to a bondsman and make the bonds, and we can deal with that. So he can go into the VTC pre-screening.
Okay.
That need him reset, I guess. Why? Because they don't go to the jail to screen them. I have to get him out on bond first. But like I said, his bonds are really low, so he shouldn't have a problem getting out.
Okay. All right. Let me see.
My computer. Damn it.
Yes, it keeps muting you.
I mean, obviously the coffee is doing something to my computer.
I can reset this to. When would we know if he made one, or are you gonna? Oh, hold on, you're muted.
Dang
Okay,
it.
I've been unmuting you.
Yeah, it's just I'm screwed. Real quick, I don't know how long it takes for him to be screened by VTC.
Okay. I can give it a reset for May 19th. It's a Thursday. Hold on, let me unmute you.
And I can't, it's acting up. I can't keep it unmuted.
May 19th.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mr. Randri.
Friend, I didn't actually confer. I haven't had a chance to review the discovery yet, and so I'm not really in a position, and I've got another Zoom kind of call on me. So could we just reset it?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna reset this to May 9th to review discovery, and then we'll go from there.
Thank you so much.
And I'll set both of them to May 9th just to see what happens with the DWI court as well.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You as well.
Mr. Sunley. Okay, if you can hear me, you are excused. You are excused now. This is the meeting.
Can you send him a chat? I don't know.
I've been sending him chats. I don't think he's receiving them.
But I'm excused?
No, you're not. Not you. Hi, Mr. Paulrix.
Hello, I'm back. I have updates on all of my cases and then have a one plea ready to go.
Perfect. Okay, let's do the updates first.
Sure. Who do you want to start with?
Jason Dershi.
Yes, on that one, that's a red file. So I'll just be requesting the regular reset on that one. 60 days if we can get it, but whatever you guys think.
I'll give it 30 days for now.
Okay.
Hopefully by then we have a file. I'll reset it to May 23rd.
All right.
What about for Taylor Edmondson?
That one, I still owe you guys PTD paperwork. She had a lot of stuff come up in her personal life this past month. And so she's emailed it to me this morning. It's in my inbox, but I'm out of county. I was going to see if I can get that reset pending y'all's receipt of that paperwork. And then if for whatever reason it's not right, which I don't expect, then we can come back at the earliest convenience to get it addressed. But I fully expect to have it to you guys before 2 p.m.
Okay, then I'm gonna recall it for tomorrow. If you get it to me before, I'll reset it for 45 days.
Okay, perfect. That sounds good.
And for Matthew Galvan,
That one, this was a discovery compliance setting, and there still are no blood results yet. The state has contacted the labs. I don't know if there's just some sort of backlog or what's going on. But they're requesting extra time to get that blood work in, and I'm not opposed to that.
okay. I'll reset this to May 17. It's a Tuesday.
Okay.
And I was just made aware that you were hired on Davy Benish.
Yes, so this is my first setting on that case. I'm still going through discovery, and the state has advised me that they're still working on contacting the complaining witness as well. So I think that we should have more information on both sides of this in 30 days.
Okay. I'll reset this to May 17th.
Okay. And then
You were gonna do a plea for Douglas, Christopher Douglas?
it's actually Trevor Brown is playing Christopher Douglas. I was just going to ask for a short reset on that one. We had to reschedule discussing the plea a couple of times, but it sounds like we're ready to go. We're just missing paperwork. And since I'm out of county, it'd be a bit of a hassle to get it through today. If we could just do a short reset on it.
Okay, can we do it next Tuesday?
That should be fine.
Okay.
I may be in trial, but I could probably even have somebody cover for me, so that should be fine.
Okay, perfect.
What's the date on that? I don't have my calendar in front of me.
It's a Tuesday, next Tuesday.
Okay.
It's the 26th.
26th. And then I'm also filling in for Sid Greehey today on Armando Flores, 676-170.
Yes.
That one is a UCW arising out of an unindicted felony. So it will just request that be reset for felony pending.
I reset to May 31st.
Okay. And I think other than Trevor Brown, who is set to plea and all the paperwork should be in, I think that covers it for me.
Perfect. All right. Trevor Brown, he's here. Let me check. Where's the paperwork?
I haven't gotten anything from him yet, on him yet.
I'm gonna send it to you, Judge. Okay, you should have it in your inbox.
What charge is he pleading on? Is it a regular DWI or?
It's going to be a deferred, Your Honor, on a DWI.
Huh?
Oh, it's going to be a deferred on a DWI, Your Honor.
Okay. I was just checking because the thing wasn't, the offense level was covered up.
Oh, and I think it may have been reduced from an A to a B as well, from what I'm seeing in my notes, Your Honor. Or it will be reduced.
Okay. Okay, are y'all ready on that one then? Trevor Brown?
Defense is ready.
Ready, Judge.
Is your client on here?
Should be,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Can you hear me okay? Okay, you're on mute, so you can unmute while we're in the plea, okay? Okay. I can hear you now. Can you hear me okay?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. This is cause number 662208. Is your name Trevor Brown?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and are you aware of the charge pending against you in the state's information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you've been charged with DWI first time, which is class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail and a possible $2,000 fine. Do you understand that range of punishment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Polreese, how long have you represented your client?
Quite a while, Your Honor, since the case was filed. I don't have the exact date in front of me, but
More than 10 days?
yes, Judge.
Okay, and you feel your client's mentally competent to go forward with the plea today?
Yes, Judge, I do.
All right, then Mr. Brown, to the charge of DWI first, how do you plead?
I'd like to enter a plea of no contest.
Okay, do you understand that a plea of no contest will be taken exactly the same as a plea of guilty by me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and have you decided to plead no contest because after discussing things with your lawyer, you feel it's in your best interest to proceed this way?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, did anybody promise you anything to talk you into pleading today?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody force you or threaten you in any way?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so you're entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then I will accept the plea. And based on your plea, I'm going to find the evidence is sufficient to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. However, in light of your application for deferred, I'm going to withhold the finding of guilt. And what is the plea bargain agreement? Oh, is the state not here?
Well, I guess not.
Okay, we'll just be on hold for a second.
I'm sorry for that. Let me bring
That's okay.
Kathleen back.
All right. I also need to advise you, Mr. Brown, I don't have to go along with your agreement if I don't want to, but if I don't follow the agreement, I will let you take back your plea. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh, there she is. Kathleen, we're taking a plea right now.
Oh, okay. Which case is this?
Case number 662208.
Trevor Brown?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes. And on that one, I still need to submit the discovery, but I'll do that today.
Okay. Okay. All right. I've already taken Mr. Brown's plea. He's entered a plea of no contest. I've found the evidence sufficient to prove his guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, withholding the finding of guilt in light of his application for deferred. And so I was just getting to what the plea bargain is, if you can tell me.
Oh, yes. So on this one, we did waive the enhancement. So it's a class B, right? So a $500 fine plus court costs, 18 months deferred adjudication, 48 hours community service, DWI education, victim impact panel, tap eval, ignition interlock for 1/2 term, and $60 restitution to DPS.
Okay. Is that the plea bargain as you understand it, Mr. Brown?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that the plea bargain as you understand it, Mr. Polaris?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, then I am going to follow the plea bargain agreement. I'm gonna place you on deferred adjudication for 18 months. So that's a $500 fine. Sorry, my computer keeps jumping around. Court costs, 48 hours of community service, the DWI education program, ignition interlock for 1/2 term, a TAP evaluation, and Mr. Brown, you'll need to follow the recommendations that come from that and pay $60 in restitution to DPS. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, did I cover everything?
I believe
I believe so, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Brown, since I did follow your plea bargain, you do not have a right to appeal without my permission, okay? And I think probation will be getting in touch with you to get your conditions set up, okay?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
All
Pulver.
right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May my client and I be excused?
Yes.
Very good. And Corinne, is there anything else that you need from me? I think that we covered everybody else.
I'll just send you that discovery if you could look for it in your email.
Of course.
Thank you.
And then I'll sign it when it comes to me too today, okay?
Thank you.
All right, sounds good. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May I be excused back to the breakout room?
Yes.
Thank you.
Kathleen, did you get the MTR? I'll go back, but did you get the MTR?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Okay, I'll go back.
Mr. Sun, can you hear me? No.
Hi, Mr. Sawyer in the courtroom. Mr. Sawyer?
I'm trying to unmute right there.
It's unmuted.
Okay, we're good.
Okay. You need to talk, do you need to talk to your client or confer with the state?
Confer the state.
Okay, perfect. Let me put you in a breakout room with
Thank you.
the state. Deputy Alex, could you rejoin the V card to the Kathleen's breakout room, please?
I'm sorry?
If you can rejoin the V card to the breakout room for Kathleen, please. Thank you. Kathleen, could you rejoin your breakout room, please?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, and before I do, can you tell us how many days?
So
in
the cursor bro.
For Mr. Carter, how many days he has in?
Yes, give me 1 moment.
And then I need to go to breakout room with Mr. Carter.
Seven days credit.
7 days. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, you got that, Kathleen?
Yes.
I'll see you in a bit. Let me talk to my client. He's anxiously wanting to talk to me.
Mr. Carter, can you go to the breakout room with your client, with your lawyer? She's ready.
Corin, are you going to send it to the V cart?
Yes, you can click there where it says rejoin breakout room.
Okay, I'm not seeing it.
Hold on, let me.
You see it?
I'm gonna move it to breakout room 11, and then I'll move you back to Kathleen. Okay.
Okay. So we're just
Mr. Dominguez got reset, right, till tomorrow?
No. Well, if he's here, we can do the plea right now.
Oh, okay. Are they gonna do the paperwork?
Yes, I'm talking with Sabrina, and
Okay.
yes, I'm about to send paperwork.
Okay, gotcha.
Kathleen, was Mr. Sawyer supposed to come back?
Yes, he was asking the deputy for help as to how to get
Okay.
back to the main room.
Perfect.
I don't know if you can pull him back to the main room or.
There he is. Hi, Mr. Sawyer.
For weeks, I'm trying to learn everything.
You're unmuted, Mr. Sawyer.
Wait a minute, I just wanted to see if the court can give us a reset date to look into the felony.
Let me see.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you?
Good to see you as always.
Good to see you as well.
Is the felony related to the?
I am not quite sure.
No, they're not related.
They're not aunt and uncle, I understand.
Okay. He has a $2,000 bond as well. I can reset it to May 9th.
That would
see
work.
what's-
There's plenty of time to touch base with felony then.
Okay, to see what's gonna
Court
happen with
approves
the
it,
felony.
May 9th is fine.
Do you need to talk to your client or?
No, I'll talk to him in person.
Okay, sounds good. Daniel, you're excused. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you for your time. Everyone have a good day.
Thank you, Mr. Sawyer. Have a good one.
And I need to just talk to Kathleen real quick, just to say that we're gonna accept the plea bargain, and I'll just need the MTR will need to sign the whatever, the consent to
Okay.
proceed video and the waiver of rights.
Perfect. I'll go ahead and send that right now.
CLO or?
I'm about to, do we need her? I can request her
Yeah,
right
we'll
now.
probably need that. So Kathleen, if you could just do judgment stat, right?
Well, no, because it was 30 days.
Well, you could offer less than 30.
Because he only had,
He's 7 days in.
okay, well, let me chat with the CLO on that one. And then,
Okay. Because I conveyed to him it was going to be judgment stat. Sorry.
oh, okay.
He's got bigger fish to fry. He's got other issues to deal with. Let's just get him
Okay.
off of this docket.
Probation is on her way.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Are we also going to do a plea on Jacob Dominguez?
Yes, it looks like it. I already sent the paperwork. And I think we just need Sabrina to talk to her client and do the paperwork. Right now, she's talking with Miss Turner.
Okay, I'm going to do the discovery on that one then.
Okay.
Hello, Corinne. How are you doing? This is Kyle.
Hey. Hi, Kyle. Good morning.
Good morning to you. I'm here on Brian Adams.
Yes.
He still has a felony pending.
Let's see.
Yes, sir. Brian Adams is here.
Yeah, Brian, I'll be right with you, Brian.
Is
Yes,
it out
sir.
of the same incident? Yes,
I believe so.
they are. Okay, the felony has not been indicted. Have you heard anything from them?
No, I'll follow up with the felony prosecutor on that. But that's what we've been waiting on is the indictment, but I'll call and see how they want to resolve this.
Okay, I'll reset it to May 9th to see for a quick update on the felony.
Okay.
So it's gonna be reset till May 9th.
Yeah, can you put me in a breakout room with Mr. Adams? Thank you.
Yes, of course. Kathleen and Ms. Thorne, we already have probation here.
Okay, can I have probation join us in the breakout room?
Yes. Thank you so much, Maria.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Griner. Welcome back.
Thank you for the welcome. Did my client ever show up?
No. No, he hasn't.
Damian Macias, correct?
Damon Macias, yes. We
I,
haven't heard from him yet.
Oh, man, Corin, we want to take this, please. Wait, someone's waving hi on the iPhone.
No, that's a different client. His
Oh,
name is Sun Lee.
okay. Well, you were the first ones and the last ones for the day.
I can recall it to tomorrow.
Let me see what Monday's docket or next week's docket. 'Cause I know tomorrow's a full one.
Yes. We can do next week except Wednesday.
Okay. Damn, Wednesday's not the best. Okay, let's set it for next Friday then.
Next Friday? All right.
Yeah, I have nothing else scheduled then.
Okay. I'll reset it to next Friday. It's gonna be the same Zoom information. At the end of docket, I'll send the same Zoom link.
All right, what I'll do is I will make sure that I get hold of the client and that he sends the paperwork back to you. How about that?
Okay, perfect.
All right, thanks
All right.
for it.
See you next Friday then. Have a good one.
Okay, bye.
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 Grant, I just wanted to check in. I think I'm excused, but I just wanted to confirm. I just talked to him.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you guys very much. Have a
May
nice
9th.
weekend.
Have a good day.
Did you say, I thought you said 6th,
No,
9th?
May 9th. Yes.
May 9th. Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Nice to meet you. Yes, sir. Take care.
Hey, Karina, we have an agreement. I just need the paperwork from you. I guess the video consent form and the certificate of appeal.
It's gonna be a revocation.
I'm sorry?
Is it going to be a
Yeah, revocation, judgment set. Yeah.
Perfect. It's already sent.
It's already sent. Let me check my emails. I will check my email.
Can somebody send me a copy of the MTR too? So I can
Yes, Judge. I'll send it to you.
have it. Thanks.
Okay. Oh, I don't need a whole waiver of constitutional things. I just need them because it's an MTR.
Yes. Let me.
Yeah, you sent me all that. I'm just gonna ignore all
Yes.
that.
I
All
was
that.
just sending a bunch of plea
Yeah,
paperwork.
yeah.
And
All I need is this trial certificate thing.
Yes.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna ignore all that other stuff.
I'll cancel it right now.
Okay. I'm like, wait a minute, I don't need all this. Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Like 2 minutes, okay?
Yes.
Cora, did you want me to admit iPad number 1?
No, that's a courtroom.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I signed it. Do I have to read? I don't know. I have to sign the new set. Let me see what you got. I don't know if this went through.
Let me see.
Because I only signed what I needed to sign, but I don't know if it went through.
No, still with.
Okay, it's probably still with me. Yeah.
Still with you.
Let me try again. Did you resend just the new stuff?
Yes, I
Okay.
resend new paperwork.
Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm looking into that right now. Sorry. And Corinne, do you already have my order with you for the voucher? Or will I need to scan that to you?
Oh, let me check.
Okay, and I'm gonna sign and it's going to you right now. Because if not, afterwards, I'll scan it to you.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay.
No, I don't
Okay.
have it. You just send it to me.
I'll send
forward
it to
the
you.
clerks.
Yeah, after the plea, I'll do it. I'll send it to you.
Sounds good. Perfect.
I can't multitask too much because I have to do it on my computer and I'll send it to you. Don't worry.
All right.
Okay. So I'm ready. Once you have it, then I'm ready to go talk to my client, get him to sign. He only has to sign two parts. Thank goodness.
Okay. Right now the paperwork is with him. Do you need a breakout room with him?
I do. I need to have him sign it because I'm gonna have to go over it with him. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Young, you're excused. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Hi, Sabrina.
Breakout room with Jacob Dominguez, please.
Yes.
And Kathleen, I'm going to email you on Karen Turner.
Okay, thank you.
I'll be right back.
Is Turner just going on this one case, Kathleen?
Yes, let's see, it's gonna be 683112, I believe.
Yeah, okay. I have it up whenever everybody's ready.
Okay.
Are the other cases being GIC'd?
Yes.
I'm gonna fill it out, kind of, get it ready.
Hi, Ms. Thorne.
Hi, I think you signed it. I think we're good.
Let me see.
Hopefully he learned, he knows how to get back to the main room. And if not, you might have
Yes.
to help him.
He's here and paperwork is good to go.
Yay, yay. And I'm so sorry I was late, but I'm here now. So
It's fine.
I just, one of those where I look back when you did send me the invite, it was back on Monday and Monday was a bear and, oh, well. I don't normally do that, but it's like, oh my God, I miss court.
It's fine. We're here.
You found me.
Yes.
Oh, Corinne, I show that the, let's see, 683112 was filed. Do you show it actually in the system?
Not yet.
It's not yet in the system?
No, it's not yet filed.
Oh, shoot. All right, let me send a quick email then.
Thank you.
Because, correct me if I'm wrong, but she only has 2-day credit on the other case. So like you can't transfer that credit to the other case. Is that right?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
That part, no. She has 2 credits. The one ending in 3-2. She has 2 credits. Ending in 4-4, 2 credits. And the one ending in 1-2 has 5.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I have James Carter up if y'all are ready on that one.
Is it Derek Carter? Is it Derek James or James? I've got him as Derek, Your Honor.
Okay, Derek.
It's Derek James Carter.
Okay, so I have it up. So are y'all ready on that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ready, Your Honor.
Which violation are y'all going on?
One of the number 2s, whichever one she wants to.
Okay. All right, you ready, Yvonne? Can you hear me okay, Mr. Carter?
Ready, Judge.
I can hear you perfectly fine, crystal clear.
Okay, I'm gonna call your case. This is cause number 660-540. Is your name Derek James Carter?
Yes.
And are you the same person who was placed on probation back on September 16th of 2021? For criminal mischief, $100 to $750.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that you? Okay.
Yep, that's me.
And it was supposed to be for 6 months. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I know that you want to enter a plea of true to having violated the terms and conditions of your probation. Before you do, I do need to advise you that even if you have an agreement with the state, I don't have to follow it if I don't want to.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I understand.
Okay. All right. Ms. Thorne, how long have you represented your client?
Just a few days, Your Honor.
Do you need additional time?
No, Your Honor, I'm ready to proceed.
Okay. So you feel your client's mentally competent to go forward with the motion today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Which allegation is the state proceeding on?
Number 2, did you want me to read it?
Yes, please.
On or about the 2nd day of November 2021 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Derek James Carter, tested positive for marijuana in violation of condition number 2.
Okay. And how do you plead to that allegation, Mr. Carter?
Oh, yeah. I was definitely under the influence.
Okay. Is it, you have to say if it's true or not true?
That is very true.
Okay. Did anybody promise you anything to talk you into pleading true to that violation?
No.
Did
No,
they
ma'am.
force you or threaten you to get you to enter a plea today?
No, ma'am.
So you're entering this plea of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I will accept your plea of true. And what is the agreement?
The agreement is a revocation adjudication, 7 days, Bear County Jail. We're not sure if it's a judgment satisfied depending on how they, oh no, wait, it is right. On this one, 7 days, JSAT, sorry.
Okay. Is that your understanding of the agreement, Ms. Thorne?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that your agreement, Mr. Carter?
Yep. I don't even know how long I've been in here, but yep, I agree with everything that Ms. Thorne's telling us. Yes,
Okay.
I agree.
All right, then I'm going to follow your agreement. I'm going to find the allegation true. I'm going to revoke your community supervision, and I'm going to follow the agreement as stated by the state and your lawyer, assessing 7 days in the Bear County Jail. If there are any court costs for time and money to run concurrent, and under their representation, find that the judgment is satisfied. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, since I did follow your agreement, your right to appeal in this situation is very limited, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there anything else we need to take up, Ms. Thorne?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, thank you, Mr. Carter. You can let them know that you're done for today, okay? And as soon as they give me the paperwork, I will sign the new judgment, okay?
Y'all have a blessed day as well.
Thank you.
Good luck, Mr. Carter. Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, always
Okay.
great to see you. Take
Good
care.
to see you. Okay. Sorry I was late.
No worries.
Kathleen, did they say anything on 683-112?
So I just sent the email to be rush filed. They already generated the paperwork. They just need to have someone sign it. So I'm giving Sabrina an update. Is she still in a breakout room with okay.
With Jacob Jimenez.
Or you mean, is it Dominguez?
Yes, Jacob Dominguez.
Oh,
sorry.
Oh, and I did send out the discovery both on Dominguez and Turner Brown.
Yes, perfect.
I have Turner up whenever it's ready. Is a straight time plea?
So I don't think it's actually going to be for judgment satisfied. It's going to be 10 days, but she only has 5 days in on this one. So if she gets 2 for 1, then they'll let her out. And Judge, maybe you know this one because the other 2 cases are filed, but she only has 2 days credit. So they don't like transfer the credit, do they, to the other cases? In other words, if
I don't know. I mean, I could put it in the notes and make it part of the agreement to give her credit.
Okay, because otherwise I didn't know if you wanted to recall it for the afternoon when the case is filed, or we could simply TIC the newer one and then go on one of the older ones.
Oh, well, that might be, the jail might not have a mess up if we do it that way. It's up to you.
Okay, well, I'll, like I said, I sent a email to Sabrina, so maybe when she gets back, we can chat. And
okay, all right. Sorry about the delay, Ms. Turner. So you're saying she has more time credit on the other cases?
She has more time credit on the new case, which it hasn't quite been filed yet.
Okay.
2 days.
I think it'd be bad if you're trying to get a less time for sure, then she should play it on the one that she has more credit on.
Right. Okay.
would that make it for me to be capable of getting out of here in 10 days?
It should. I mean, if you're getting 2 for 1, then I don't know what your status is as a trustee or not, but if you're getting 2 for 1, then a 10-day sentence, if you have 5 days in, should be satisfied. If not today, then maybe by tomorrow, but I can't say for certain how the jail is giving their credit. Okay.
Would I have to be moved out of medical because I'm really not feeling good right now?
I mean, if you're in the medical, I think you would stay in medical, but I don't want to say for certain, but do you need to take a break? Do you want to take a break?
I needed to use the restroom, but it's not really clean right now. I was trying to wait to get back to my cell. It's just that the ovule, that tumor is kind of large, but I'm hanging in it. I'm right. I'm not in too much pain right now.
Okay. Well, do you want to come back this afternoon so that she can take a little break? I mean, whatever y'all say.
You can come back.
It just seems that the case isn't filed. It could be like another half an hour or something. And everybody's just sitting here.
May I do that? May I take a break and we can?
Yes. So why don't
You
we?
can come back.
You want to come back? We'll tell the 2 o'clock. Is that?
We can do 2 o'clock. Let the jail know.
We'll let the jail know, and they'll bring you back at 2, and then hopefully all this will be sorted out, and it'll go real fast. Okay.
I appreciate it, Judge.
Just let them know that you're gonna be coming back at 2 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm also sending an email.
Should I leave the room or should I just contact the deputy first?
Just let the deputy know.
Yeah, just tell them that you're done for now, and you can be excused until 2 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
I just sent them an email.
Okay. I feel bad for her, like sitting there for hours.
Yes.
Hello, how you doing, Mel?
Hi.
She said she could reconvene until 2 o'clock. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Can you send us an email at the Bear County Zoom link, please?
Yes. What is the email?
BCSO Zoom.
At bear.org. Gmail or bear.org?
Let me find it. Is it org or? BC jail courts at the Zoom. BC jail courts at bear.org.
BC jail courts at bear.org.
Yes.
Okay, I'll send it right now.
Thank
I'll
you so
also
much.
send it to Deputy Aldana as well.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a seat right there. Have a seat right there. That's yours. Have a seat.
Okay.
So Corinne, will the clerk send me the judgments today for these? So these people can get out?
Yes, Judge. However, if it's okay with you, how the way we've been doing it, Judge Sohansky has a stamp. So they stamp Judge Sohansky's signature and they put there for Judge Parker. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I just want to make sure it gets done today and not,
Yes.
Okay. If there's something
Yes,
ever for me to sign and I'm not signing it, send me a text because I can.
Okay. Yes, Judge. Yes, we usually do Judge Sohansky's signature and then for Judge Parker.
Okay. We'll see it too.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Okay, so we're coming back at 2?
On her case.
Oh, okay.
However,
We're still waiting on
Dominguez.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You think she wants to do Dominguez at 2 also, or?
Let me
I don't know.
send her an email.
I mean, unless she's almost ready or something.
Okay, I asked her.
Did John Robertson get a reset on his case?
Yes, the inmate made bond.
Okay.
Yes, and Sabrina, she's just her client is just finishing paperwork.
Okay. What about Javier Oliva's client, Calvillo?
That one I give him a reset because his case is related to a felony, to a capital murder felony.
Okay.
I just give him a 30-day reset on that one.
What about Suzanne Kramer's other client? Did she get PTD? So it got dropped? Or?
Yes, they sent the PTD agreement last night, so I'll be giving her a reset date on that one.
Okay. Okay, I just got Dominguez's paperwork. Okay, the consent says I, Michael Gonzalez, waive my right, not Jacob Dominguez. On the consent to plea by video. So it's just a typo.
Did he fill out the incorrect stuff?
Is his name Jacob Dominguez or Michael Gonzalez?
Jacob Dominguez, Your Honor.
So on the very first line of the sentence, consent to plea, it says, I, Michael Gonzalez, waive my right to enter a plea in open court. And then it has his printed name, Michael Gonzalez.
You're on mute, Jacob.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, because I'm using a regular phone and I guess it may have entered his information accidentally.
Okay. You're using Michael Gonzalez's phone?
Yes, ma'am. That's my cousin.
So it's populating his name on your paperwork?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I apologize.
That's okay. We're gonna have to redo it. I mean,
okay.
Your other client's gonna come back at 2, Sabrina, because she was having a medical problem and needed to take a break. So you want to redo the paperwork on this client? Yeah. We'll try to get 2.
You want us to come back at 2?
Well, I mean, you're gonna have to get blank paperwork, I think, for him to do now again. I don't know if you can go in and change it once he's clicked to sign.
Okay, it's up to you, Your Honor. We can get it done really quickly. Or we can come back at 2.
Whatever y'all say is what I will do.
Okay, Corinne, do you mind resending Jacob his paperwork, please?
I hope I haven't signed other paperwork that had the wrong name. This is the first time I've noticed it. And I don't like always focus in on it, I guess.
I say Your Honor's first time for everything.
Yeah,
I apologize.
it's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Sabrina, which email do you want me to send it to?
To the most recent email that I
Okay.
sent you, please.
Sounds good. Okay, I just sent it.
Also the budgie, the BUDGIE. Let's see. Was that to the BUDGIE email?
Yes, it's to that email. I'm about to finish it up.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Okay, Jacob, it should be in your email and it's the exact same thing we just went over.
Okay. All right, I'm on it right now. Let me see here. Okay.
Kathleen, it shows that for Turner, it's already filed.
Yay, thank you.
Oh, okay, I finished it up.
Okay, I think it's coming to me right now. Is it deferred or regular probation?
Deferred, Your Honor.
The information generated correctly, Your Honor?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, I think we're ready. Are y'all ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is cause number 652330. Is your name Jacob Dominguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you aware of the charge pending against you in the state's information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, they've charged you with unlawfully carrying of a weapon. It's class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I know that you may have a plea bargain between you, the state, and your lawyer. I need to advise you that I don't have to go along with your agreement if I don't want to, but if I don't follow the plea bargain, I will let you take back your plea and nothing we do here today will be used against you. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if I go along with your agreement though, you won't be able to appeal or complain about my decision without my permission. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and Ms. Morales, how long have you represented your client?
We've represented him since April of 2019.
Okay, and you feel like your client's mentally competent to go forward with the plea today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, then Mr. Dominguez, to the charge of unlawfully carrying a weapon, how do you plead?
No contest.
Do you understand that a plea of no contest will be taken exactly the same as a plea of guilty by me?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you decided to plead no contest because after discussing things with your lawyer, you feel it's in your best interest to proceed this way?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, then I will accept the plea. Based on your plea, I'm going to find the evidence is sufficient to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. However, in light of your application for deferred, I'm going to withhold the finding of guilt. And what is the agreement?
The agreement is an $800 fine, of which $400 to be probated. Court costs, 12 months deferred adjudication, 50 hours community service, tap eval, motion to forfeit the weapon, $60 to DPS. In addition, Your Honor, the state will TIC cause number 2021 CR 10951.
Okay, is that your agreement as you understand it, Ms. Morales?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is that your agreement as you understand it, Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you read the numbers that you're taking into consideration again?
2021.
Is this a county court cause number?
No, this is a felony.
Is it like, okay, is it D? Go ahead. Tell me again.
2021 CR 10951.
Okay. Is that the only one?
Yes, that's the only.
All right, then, Mr. Dominguez, I'm gonna follow your plea bargain. I'm gonna place you on deferred adjudication for a period of 12 months. Assess an $800 fine. I will probate 400 of that during your period of good behavior. 50 hours of community service, have a TAP evaluation and follow those recommendations. I'm gonna grant the motion to forfeit the weapon. Was there anything else?
$60 to DPS.
All right, okay. There will be restitution of $60 to DPS. Is that it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and I'm gonna allow them to use if they need a fingerprint, to use the fingerprint from the booking, Ms. Morales, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, do you have any questions, Mr. Dominguez, about what's expected?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, since I did follow your plea bargain, you cannot appeal without my permission. And I think the probation department is gonna contact you to get your supervision and conditions set up, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, so is that it till 2? I'll see y'all at 2.
Yes, Judge, until 2. Sabrina, we're coming back for Miss Turner at 2 o'clock.
Okay, sounds good.
And
She was in some sort of like distress, having to wait. So
Okay.
anyway,
Okay.
she got to leave. Okay, I'll see y'all at 2. Rhea, just leave the same meeting on.
Yes, I'm gonna leave it open.
Okay, all right. Thanks, everybody. See you
Thank
later.
you.
Have a good lunch.
Bye-bye.
Bye.